children, this is your ma'am S.T. Joshi. Welcome to your social studies class. Today we will be doing the lesson chapter 10, lesson 10, Monty Meets Helpers. This is from unit 4, My Neighborhood and Me, on page number 54. Let's start reading about these helpers. I'm sure you all live in a neighborhood or a colony, and there are people in that neighborhood or colony who help you, right? Person who bring you milk, people who bring you milk, and persons who bring you letters or delivers letters, or clinics and other important people who help us. Now let's start reading, and as we read I will explain it to you. Many people live together in a neighborhood. We take the help of these people. We call them our helping hands. What are these people who help us are called? They are called helping hands. Monty is new to the neighborhood. This is Monty and he is new to the neighborhood. वो अभी अभी इस neighborhood में, इस colony में आया है. He is out exploring his locality with his neighbor Sana. Sana has been living in this neighborhood earlier from many days, from many months. She was there before Monty, so she knows the helping hands. She knows the people who live in this locality and who provide their services. Now, and she is helping Monty in exploring the place. Meet Ramu. He is our postman. He collects and delivers letters. Who is this? Ramu. He collects letters and he posts letters. He is a postman. Nowadays people do not use post box too much, but because of other facilities, online facilities like email and other messages, or even like you might be receiving parcels, or when you are ordering something online from other like Flipkart and other things, other online shopping, so people bring those things to you. And nowadays even people don't write too many letters to each other. आजकल लोग letters नहीं लिखते इतने ज़्यादा एक दूसरे को, वो WhatsApp पे या email पे एक दूसरे से बात कर लेते. But still postmen are very helpful and they still exist and they are still helping people, right? See, now what does this Ramu do? He is a postman and he collects letters and delivers letters. Hello. Here is Bhola, the milkman. He has 2 cows. He delivers milk to our home on his bicycle. Who is this? This is Bhola. And he has 2 cows. And what does he do? He delivers milk. Do you have a milkman who comes to your home every day bringing milk? Yes, he is your helper and we should treat them nicely. No matter they are poor or rich, we should treat people nicely and politely and gently. We should be polite to them. If they are poor, it does not mean that we have to be rude with them. No, we have to talk with them nicely. And this is Bhola and he delivers milk to homes on his bicycle. Maybe you also have somebody, some boy who brings milk to your home. Okay, and what is he asking? What is Sana asking Bhola? How are you? Now let's come to the next page, page number 55. Okay, Ram is a plumber. Who is Ram? Ram is a plumber. He fixes and repairs pipes and taps. What does he do? He fixes pipes and repairs pipes. When a pipe in your bathroom or washroom or kitchen or in a sink it breaks or it needs to be repaired, the plumber repairs it or fixes it. Okay, so this is Ram, a plumber. And who is this person? He is Shyam. He is an electrician. What is he? An electrician. Maybe sometimes your fan stops working, your light stops working, your AC stops working, or other electrical things stop working. Then who do you call? You call an electrician. An electrician is a person who fixes electrical objects. We should not do it because it is very risky. So for that, to fix electrical problems, we need a electrician, and to fix our pipes and taps, we need a plumber. What is this? What is it? What is the people called who fixes pipes and repairs taps? A plumber. They are brothers. Ram and Shyam are brothers. Look at those wires. Sana is saying, look at those wires. Oh my God, they look so dangerous. Green, red, blue. Okay, now let's come here. This is Dr. Bob and nurse Rehana. They look after sick people in their clinic. And what is this? This is an ambulance, and Sana is telling Monty, see, this is Dr. Bob and she is a nurse Rehana. They look after the sick people in their clinic. Okay, and now let's come further. This is Ali, the policeman. Who is he? Ali, the policeman. He catches robbers and guides the traffic. Have you seen this policeman near Chorahas? Yes, you must have seen, or near police station, standing somewhere, or at some corners in near your neighborhood. Yes, policeman protect us from robbers and thieves and other bad people, and they catch them, and also they guide traffic also. When there is a traffic jam, usually the traffic police is there, but sometimes even policemen also help in managing the traffic. And what is Monty saying? Hello, I'm Monty. Now let's come to the next page. Come, let's go to the greengrocer. We are on page number 56. Come, let's go to the greengrocer. Who is a greengrocer? Who sells green vegetables. A greengrocer is a person who sells green vegetables and fruits, etc. We will buy some juicy mangoes to eat from him. I'm hungry. Rehana is saying, let's go to the greengrocer, this fruit man, or the man who sells fruits and vegetables. We will buy some juicy mangoes. I'll eat. I want to eat. I'm hungry. Okay, let's go, Monty is saying. So he is also a helper. Okay, a greengrocer is also a helper. If a greengrocer is not in your neighborhood or in your colony, you will have to go very far. Okay, if a policeman is not in your neighborhood, you have to go far away to a far away police station. If a doctor is not near your neighborhood and somebody suddenly gets sick in your home, you have to go far away. So these people are near in our neighborhood. They live in our neighborhood. वो हमारी कॉलोनी में रहते कि जब हमको जल्दी से उनकी ज़रूरत हो तो वो वहाँ पर हो. Okay, now this is a very important man. He is a firefighter, and see, he is Rehana's father. He is my father, Rehana is saying. He is my father. He is a firefighter. He puts out a fire with his water hose. What does he do? He puts out fire with a water hose. When there is a fire in some building or in some shop or any place, the firefighter they come and they, with their water hose, with their huge pipe filled with water, what do? They put out fire. Okay, and they are very important. Okay, and this is the firefighter bus they have. Okay, truck they have. Now what do your parents do? Now Rehana is asking Monty, what do your parents do? And Monty is saying, my father is a tailor. Who is Monty's father? He is a tailor. He stitches clothes. My mother is a teacher. She teaches in a school. Even Monty's parents are helpers, helping hands. One is a tailor and another one is a teacher. Both of them help. Okay, so I hope children you have understood the value of these helping hands. A tailor, a teacher, a firefighter, a grocer, a policeman, a postman, a doctor, a nurse, and other people who help us, a plumber, an electrician. If they are not there, if they are not available in our neighborhood, it will be very difficult for us. So I hope you value these people, and till now if you have not valued, this is the time to value them. Whenever these people come to your home, be thankful to them, be kind to them, and they are our helpers. They are not our servants, they are our helpers. Okay children, God bless you and take care.